Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on the March Callaloo Box, and this month's theme is the Trinbago Seafood Box. So since it's Lent, they figured that it would only be fitting that they share a lot of seafood related products. If you haven't subscribed to them yet, make sure you go subscribe at www.callaloobox.com. Make sure you check them out on all their social media websites. They're on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, as well as Twitter, all at Callaloo Box. So make sure you contact them and order your Callaloo Box, your snack box, or you can even shop on their online grocery. So if y'all want to see the reveal of this month's Callaloo Box, keep watching. So this month's Callaloo Box is the Trinbago Seafood Box. So this month we got lime pepper, tamarind chutney or tamarind chutney, fish and seafood shaker seasonings, green seasoning for fish and seafood, garlic infused coconut oil, that one sounds good, some dried Seamoss, and as always they give you a little brief description on what the item is, a suggested use for it, and a helpful tip. This is a new little addition to the box, so there's a little story about the two sisters who started the box. So they're telling you where they grew up and that they moved to New York. And then they tell you what was their inspiration for starting this subscription box service. On the next side, they tell you who they are. So it's Malika and Jamila, two sisters. And they're telling you what they offer. So they have a Callaloo Box subscription, a snack box subscription, as well as a Callaloo Box grocery. You can follow them on social media. They're on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, all at Callaloo Box. On the flip side, they posted some testimonials from customers. So one customer said, "I love your snack box. It brings me way back to my childhood memories of my aunties bringing me sweets from Trinidad. Thank you for thinking this up." Now let's get into the fun part. Now I'm gonna go through each item that we got this month. So the first one is the dried Seamoss. Now if you're from the Caribbean, you know how special this is to us. I'll definitely make use of this Seamoss and probably post a recipe for you all. So next we got fish seasoning, and this is from Caribbean Flavors. So I haven't tried this seasoning yet. I'm gonna try it out today. So even though it says fish on it, you can use this for any seafood. And I'm going to be cooking some shrimp today, so I'll try it out and I'll let you know what I think. We got our next fish seasoning. This is from Chief. So this will go great on any seafood. So if you used any of these fish seasonings, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of it. Next, we got some tamarind chutney or tamarind chutney. So on the suggested use for the tamarind chutney, it says you can use this on bacon shack sandwiches. So this is a popular topping for bacon shack. Next we have a lime pepper sauce. So as you know, lime and seafood go great together, and us Caribbeans, we love our pepper. So the lime pepper sauce will make a great condiment for any seafood dishes. Here we got a green seasoning with lime, and this is for fish and seafood. So I haven't tried this one out yet. I'll try it out today and let you all know. So as you know, in the Caribbean or in Trinidad and Tobago, green seasoning is very essential in our cooking. So you have to have this if you're a cook. And lastly, we got the garlic infused coconut oil. I'm really excited to try this out. Their suggested use for this is to use in sauces, dressings, marinades, roasts, grilling, curry, sautés, and even pasta dishes. So I'm going to make some curry shrimp, and I'm going to try out the Caribbean Flavors fish seasoning. So I'll just add a little bit to season the shrimp. And I love the fact that there's a resealable top, so you don't have to look for a rubber band to tie it up and things. So I'll just add a little bit. It smells amazing. And I'm going to try out the green seasoning with lime for fish and seafood. So in place of my homemade green seasoning, I'll just add a little bit. I'm going to season with a little bit of chopped bandana. So the recipe for the curry shrimp will be listed in the card above. So just click this eye here at the top right hand corner to find the recipe for my curry shrimp. So I have to say that the fish seasoning as well as that green seasoning with lime actually kicked up the flavor of the curry shrimp. It didn't taste like my typical curry shrimp. It really had an extra flavor that I really enjoyed. So I hope you all try it out. I'm so happy that I got to try this green seasoning as well as the fish seasoning. It really gave a unique flavor to the shrimp. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing the Trinbago Seafood Box for March. We definitely got a lot of nice ingredients. I'm so excited to put these products to use. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me if you use any of these products or if you want to use them. As always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you head over to Callaloo Box on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and on their website at callaloobox.com, and go subscribe to their subscription box, to their snack box, or you can even go shopping on their online grocery. So until I see you all again in my next video, bye!